It's time to process, prepare, and preserve this week's harvest with Weston Equipment, Bradley Smokers, High Mountain Seasonings, and Outdoor Edge Knives.
Now that your wild game animal's down, you don't have to be in such a big hurry to get all your products made. It's not necessary to make all of your snack sticks, all of your jerky, and all your sausages right now. A great tip for you is to go ahead and debone all of your meat. Take your trimmings, put it in your Weston vacuum bag, weigh it out to the exact portions to match your High Mountain Seasonings. Use your Weston Vacker, vacuum seal those meat in large bags, put it in your freezer, and then when you have time on your hands after the hunting season's over, get it out and manufacture all your processed items when you have the time. Now I've taken a 5-pound vacuum sealed bag of trimmings out of my freezer and it's already trimmed out and ready to go. All I have to do is put it in my mixing pan, weigh out my seasonings from my High Mountain snack stick kit, mix it up and put it in the grinder. Now we'll just use our Outdoor Edge knives here from our Butcher Light kit, and we've already weighed it out on our Weston scales, and I know I have exactly 5 pounds of meat here. We're gonna put it right into our mixing pan. Now we'll be using High Mountain's Jalapeno Blend Snack and Stick Kit, and what I really love about these High Mountain seasonings is the way that they've portioned everything out for the home processor. Everything that you need is right here in these kits. It comes with the 21mm mahogany snack stick casings, and this kit is blended to season 20 pounds of meat, so High Mountain's gone ahead and portioned it out into 2 equal 10-pound batches, so it's very easy to cut open the seasoning packet, weigh out half the seasoning for this 5-pound batch, and we're ready to go. Now we'll go ahead and sprinkle our seasonings over top of our meat. Just try to get it evenly portioned. There we go. Now we're going to add just a little bit of water to help blend those dry seasonings with our meat product, because as you can see there, that dry seasoning is all clumped up on the surface of the meat, and if we don't add a little bit of water just to mix it and blend it, what happens is as you put it through the grinder, you get those portions in your snack stick that have a lot of seasoning, and then those other portions that don't have any seasoning. We'll mix it up really well just to be sure that we have those seasonings thoroughly coating our meat. Now a great meat processing tip for you is anytime that you're working with meat and you're working with stainless steel equipment, it's a good idea to spray everything down with a food grade silicone spray. It just makes cleanup so much easier. It lubricates the equipment, especially like your grinder plates and knives. It's very important to keep these lubricated because when you first turn the grinder on, you've got metal rubbing against metal, and without a little bit of lubrication on there, it can wear out your grinder plates and knives about twice as fast. Now we'll just place our meat up in the hopper of our Weston grinder. Make sure we get all those good seasonings in there. Now we'll just turn on our Weston machine and grind the product. Anytime that you're going to be stuffing a very small diameter product like a snack stick, it's important to add just a little bit of extra moisture, a little bit of extra water to help it come through that small diameter stuffing horn a little easier. So we're going to use our Weston mixer here, put our sausage product up in the mixer, add a little bit more water, blend it very well before we put it into our stuffer. Now we filled our Weston stuffer with our ground snack stick mix. We've packed it in there really tight and pushed out all the air. We slipped our mahogany casing onto our stuffing horn here, and we're just going to apply gentle pressure to be certain we don't get any air pockets in our snack sticks, and we're just going to stuff our snack sticks right into the casing. Now after you've finished stuffing your product, if you want to link it, it's very simple to do. Just find the center of your link, pinch it right in the middle, and put 1, 2 twists. Come down the length of the snack stick that you'd like to make. Just pinch it right in the middle, just like that, and twist those 2 links around one another and feed one of the legs up through the center. And look at that. We can come down again, pinch off 2 more links right here. Once again, rotate them together, just like that. Feed one of the legs up through, and that'll hold those links in place. Now we're ready to take our snack sticks to our Bradley smoker.
See our full line of instructional game processing DVDs on our website at OutdoorEdge.com.
All right. We have the smoke rolling out of our Bradley smoker. Now we've taken our snack sticks and we've used the game shears from the Outdoor Edge game processor. We've cut them apart and we've laid our snack sticks on the rack of our Bradley smoker and we've placed them in the smokehouse. Now we pre-smoked the smoke box and we preheated the box. We preheated it to 150 degrees, and the reason we pre-smoked that smoke box is to get that good natural smoke flavor adhering to that product right away. Now remember, these snack sticks are very small diameter products. We want to start out at a low temperature, about 150 degrees. We'll leave it there for about 2 hours, then we'll step the temperature up to 180 and maybe 190 if necessary to get that final internal temperature up to 158 degrees. To ensure that it's a ready-to-eat product. Always remember, processing your own wild game animals can be fun, easy, and very rewarding if you have the tools and the knowledge to do the job.
You're watching Outdoor Edge's Love of the Hunt.